Did you ever wondered how Helix Nebula sounds like? First, we need to know what a nebula is. A nebula is a vast cloud of gas and dust in space. Nebula can range in size from a few light years across to hundreds of light years across. They are often remnants of supernova explosions or regions where new stars are forming. Helix Nebula, also known as NGC 7293, is a large planetary nebula located in the constellation Aquarius. It is one of the closest and brightest planetary nebula to Earth, situated approximately 700 light-years away. Now let's hear a sound wave converted from the data of Helix Nebula. Yes, it actually sounds weird. It is also called sound of hell.